I will show you how to cook Aram Stem. For this, first we need Aram Stem, then red chili powder, peanut, salt, turmeric powder, cumin and coriander powder, pachforon. This is the mix of 5 spices, shredded coconut, broad bean seeds, green chili and cashew paste. First we have to remove the leaves and then cut it into small pieces and then boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. I have boiled it. Now we start the next process. Heat up sufficient oil for cooking. Now add half teaspoon of pachforon, and then add the Aram Stem. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of salt, and then fry it. Now you can add broad bean seeds, 2 to 3 green chili, peanuts, mix it well, and fry them. Fry them for 12 to 15 minutes. And now you can add cashew paste, half cup of shredded coconut, and then mix it properly. Here you can check the salt, it is sufficient or not. Aram is good for our health because it is more consistency in iron. It increases our blood level. You can eat it. It is ready now, you can serve it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon and share it with your friends, and also visit my website www.minakshikitchen.com. There you will find various written cooking process. Thank you.